Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to organize files by last modified in the Google Drive app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up Google Drive. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just have to go into files in the bottom right corner and then tap on name here. And here we can just select last modified as the criteria for organizing our files. And yeah, as you can see here, it's in that order. We can also change it to display the icons in larger form, or I mean as a list or as a matrix. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.